On behalf of our team, first of all, I would like to thank our chairman, sir, Professor Karunesh Saxena, my member, Professor Pawan sir, and with these two terms, I think I have learned a lot of the things. And also we are thankful to the principal sir and all the teaching staff, non-teaching staff, governing body members, I think alumni association and all the students who are the major stakeholders. But during these 2 days, whatever we have observed, we already given the report to the principal sir. But we have found out that our university where we are working, which we started in 99, and you are 10 years older than us. And in 99 we started, and in the span of 25 years, like in 2023, we are the one of the best university of the Delhi as a state university, which is running all the professional courses, including the medical and the B.Ed, law and everything. So I think there is you are lucky that you are getting a cooperation from the outer society also. So in that manner you have a big land area and all the support. And the main thing is that you have a very dedicated faculty. And that is really I say that we should proud, or all the stakeholders should proud that you have such a dedicated faculty who is working tirelessly, I think, from the last 3 days with us, and I don't know from how many days in advance to prepare for this team. So whatever we have observed, some of the things which are the basic infrastructures, I think that should be, I only request to the principal sir and the governing body members, as the funds are coming from the government. Not only for the fellowships, but others non-beginning funds are also there, except the salary of the faculty. So I think some of the grants to be utilized for the betterment of the infrastructure of the college. Because whatever you will give, the students will provide you the double or triple by giving the name to the college. And I think they are the future of us. So whatever we are providing to them, that we are getting from them. So the some of the problems like which we observed, like the basic things are the blackboard, which is the requirement. If you are not providing or not able to provide it, the smart class in all the classrooms, at least the chalk and the blackboard, which is the necessary in all the classrooms. Except that, that is my concern also, because most of the women candidates or the girls candidate are here, and also as the women faculty is here. So what I observed in the last day, the problem of the washroom is there. Either no one is said to me, but that personally I have observed. So I request the principal sir as well as the chairmen of the group body that the proviso is there. Only the some repair or the maintenance is required. Nothing, you have not to create a new one, only the maintenance you have to do. Third thing is because the young faculty and especially the girls faculty or the lady faculty is there, I only request to the governing body and principal that if there is some proviso for the crèche system is there, so that the women faculty will work as in a good atmosphere. So they will not feel that the child is at home and they feel the homesickness, or the child also feel that the mother is away from them. And these are the things which we observed minutely for the as a concern as a lady faculty. Except that I think there is no medical room as such. So the some proviso in case some emergency is there, that should be incorporated. And already Pawan sir said, because we discussed in length from the last 3 days, last the 2 days, we reached here on 13th, and everyone started early morning on the 13th. Still we worked late night on the 13th. Yesterday also we worked, and this morning we are working just to give the best possible way to overcome all the things which we have observed, and you will get a good college, and whatever best we can do, we have done that way. So that at least this area will got a good college, and you will grow as a good college. So in that manner, all the stakeholders should be participate in a good manner, I can say that. And especially I will try to say all the girl candidates, don't be shy. Future is yours, and be bold enough. If you have confidence in yourself, then no one can beat you. But you have to come up yourself. Don't be shy. And don't hesitate that we have not to say anything. Be bold enough, then only you, and everyone will listen to you. Another thing is that because whoever be the MSS coordinators and those arrange some of the camps for the nearby locality to consult the parents also. And especially for the 2 things. One is to stop the early child marriage, to convince them that these are the futures, and our college will try to provide them some vocational trainings so that they will be the self-independent, and also to stop the child labor. This is I think the requirement for the future also. And with these words only I say that best of luck and best wishes for the future. Thank you.